Welcome to Independent Living Bullion's weekly market wrap podcast, helping precious metals investors during these treacherous times. And now, here's this week's market wrap with commentary and analysis from the fastest growing precious metals dealer in America, Independent Living Bullion.
Welcome to this week's Market Wrap podcast. I'm Mike Gleason. Well, the precious metals markets kicked off trading for the second quarter with a hint of a rally. Prices for both gold and silver rallied strongly on Wednesday. In the last hour of trading, however, sellers launched an attack and took away much of the day's gains in just a few minutes. For longtime followers of the gold and silver futures markets, this type of trading pattern is all too familiar. The metals spend the day rallying, breaking a downtrend, or poking above resistance levels. Then an inexplicable barrage of selling pressure breaks the momentum to prevent the markets from closing on an up note. Sure enough, price weakness carried forward into Thursday, leaving silver little changed and gold with a slight loss for the week heading into Friday. However, as of this Friday morning, we're seeing gold and silver rallying a bit. Gold prices currently trade at $1,300 even. Silver flirted with the $20 level on Wednesday but got knocked down in that late-day sell-off. The poor man's gold is once again poked above the $20 level today and currently comes in at $20.13 an ounce in the spot market as of this Friday morning recording. Rounding out the precious metals complex, platinum and palladium are faring relatively well this week. Platinum is up a healthy 2.5% with prices currently coming in at $14.48. Palladium, meanwhile, shows a gain of 1.8% as prices near another breakout level. Once again, palladium finds itself looking to clear the $800 mark on a closing basis and make a run at new multi-year highs. Prices currently trade at $790. As the platinum group metals continue to show leadership, what's holding gold and silver back? Well, as I noted earlier, it appears that sellers in the futures markets who didn't want to see gold and silver pick up momentum come in and knock prices down just as they appeared ready to start trending higher. Many precious metals commentators, including respected banking and global currency analyst Jim Rickards, note that these types of patterns are hallmarks of manipulation. He has uncovered documents showing that the U.S. government and its allies have engaged in organized price suppression efforts at various times over the past few decades to try to prevent the gold market from signaling that all is not well in the world of fiat currencies. Some investors may ask, why bother investing in a manipulated market? Does the little guy really stand a chance against the hedge funds, the big banks, and the government? It depends. If you're trying to trade these markets on a very short-term basis, then the odds are probably stacked against you. However, if you're a long-term investor and you can see that prices are artificially low, then that creates an opportunity for you to actually profit from near-term price suppression. I say near-term price suppression because that's all it is and ever will be. The major trend going back to when the gold price was untethered from the $35 per ounce fixed exchange rate in 1971 has been for gold prices to move relentlessly higher in dollar terms. Silver, too. Nothing will stop this megatrend as long as the currency keeps being depreciated. That is virtually guaranteed under our spend, borrow, and print monetary system. So it's only a question of timing and the magnitude of the next move higher in precious metals. Although we can't know in advance when the bull market will get hit by concentrated selling in the futures markets, you as an investor can get ready to pounce when prices do get distorted to the downside. Especially on a week like this when we see gold and silver diverging negatively from platinum and palladium, that spells opportunity to buy at unsustainable low prices. Decades from now, investors will look back at 2014 and find it hard to believe that silver could be obtained for as little as $20 per ounce. You have the opportunity now to be among those who bought when the value was this good. And with many of Independent Living Bullion's low-premium silver bullion products, including our popular 1-ounce rounds and our 10-ounce and 100-ounce bullion bars, you can obtain silver for very near melt value, right around $20 per ounce. This is truly a great time to be accumulating, and we are proud to play a role in helping investors, both big and small, build their own personal bulwarks against paper currencies and paper schemes by diversifying into real physical metal. Before we go, I want to alert you of some big developments at IndependentLivingBullion.com. We've just upgraded the website's appearance, speed, and functionality to make it an even better user experience for you. Check it out for yourself. For starters, the site has a cleaner look and feel, along with easier navigation and order placement. But now you can use our price alert system and have us notify you by email if the individual precious metals reach any price target you select. Also, the upgraded site incorporates live chat. Of course, we love to speak with our customers by phone, and you should never hesitate to call with comments, questions, or to buy or sell. However, you can now access our experts while browsing our website. And our upgraded site is now fully optimized for mobile devices of all kinds. And stay tuned, because we plan to release even more in the coming months. So check it out at independentlivingbullion.com, and feel free to give us feedback on the new site. We're all ears. Well, that will do it for this week's Market Wrap podcast. Thanks for listening. This has been Mike Gleason with Independent Living Bullion, reminding you that we remain fully committed to getting you the most value for your depreciating dollar, with speed, with accuracy, and with top-notch service. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Thank you for joining us for this edition of the Independent Living Bullion Weekly Market Wrap. Be sure to come back next week. And don't forget to subscribe to our weekly podcast through iTunes for answers to all of your questions, or to discreetly and securely buy or sell gold or silver coins, bars, and rounds. Call 1-800-800-1865. Our knowledgeable and no-pressure specialists are standing by between 7 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time, Monday through Friday. Visit us at www.independentlivingBullion.com or call 1-800-800-1865.